Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use TikTok Now application for beginners. So first of all guys, you can download the TikTok Now app from Play Store and then open up the application. You will have the option to link it up to your TikTok account. And then you will be able to post your photos right here. So you can just click on post from over here. And now if you just want to make a photo, you just need to tap. And if you want to make a video, you need to hold. So I'm just gonna take a photo to show you guys. Alright, as you can see, we took a photo. And if you didn't like it, you can click on retake from over here. And also you can choose who can view your photos or videos. I'm gonna leave it just for friends. And then click on this icon right here to post your photo or video. And as you guys can see, my photo has been posted. You can switch the pictures you take by click on it, as you can see. And also if you didn't like it, for example, and you want to delete it, you can just tap on the profile icon from over here. And as you can see, the photos you posted with the exact date is right here. Just click on it and then tap on the three dots from over here and tap on delete. Also, you can go back and click from over here on explore so you can see what other people have posted their photos or videos. As you can see, you can also follow friends or people you want to see their photos from over here. So the same thing as the TikTok application basically. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can use the TikTok Now application. If you guys found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Until next time.